可以了。
Hello, this is Juliet from Feiyue Laser. Today I will introduce our product FY4050, the metal precision laser cutting machine for you. For this model, the cutting size of x-axis is 40 cm and the y-axis is 50 cm. Inside the cell belt, this is our linear guide. We use the top brand linear guide. It is made of Taiwan THK. It is very it is high stable, high precision, and have high acceleration performance. Okay, let's talk about the linear and servo motors. This is the z-axis. It is the servo motor, and for the x and the y axis, it is the linear motor. The linear and the servo motor have high torque, high precision, high stable, and durable performance. The linear and the servo motor are guaranteed that the high operation and acceleration. And the linear and the servo motor have outstanding ability that can make the cutting speed is 2 times faster than the screw platform. Okay, let's talk about the marble tables. We use the Shandong TP marble table, which can measurement the accuracy, and it is very stable. Shandong TP is a very professional in making marble tables. Now we talk the machine's body. Our machine body is used for the main color is red and white, and it is closed. It is very closed. It is closed, and it has characteristics of high strength frame structure, and it is the more scientific technology and high strength frame structure that which increase the high strength frame structure, which prevent the distortion during for a long time work. Now we can see the CNC system. We use the CNC system, which is more accurate and sensitive. And our CNC system uses a dedicated laser control system and line contact heat tracking system. And it is not affected by the shape of the workpiece. And we also use the professional CAM software, which is steady and have powerful functions. And under the monitor, there are 7 switches. This is the urgent switch. This one is a power switch. This one is a water cooling system switch. This one is a servo system switch. This one is a laser source switch. This one is a lighting source switch. This one is a computer switch, and this is the connection with this one is connection with the mouse, and this one is is USB discs. It can put files by using the USB. This is the keyboard. And here, this is our laser cutting head. It is integrated body design, and the waterproof grade is IP65. It has a characteristics of high precision, high speed.
Integrated body design.
It is unified zero focus position, flexible flexible adjustment, and it is also flexible adjustment.
Integrated body design. Blue part.
不是，还有一个有三个作用的，还有一个。
IP 啊，你读了？对 ，flexible adjustment of scale, unified field focus position, integrated body design。
是的，还有一个。
没了。
有3个，一会儿再说。
OK。
And there is we can take the blue part to out of the lens, and we can clean the lens to make the process more better. And besides the cutting head, it is the induction adjuster. It can adjusting the distance of the between the workpiece and the laser cutting head. And this is the CCD camera. It is an optional function, and the customer can choose it according to their requirements. And besides the laser cutting head, there are more tubes. This is the air tubes. It is used for It is used for auxiliary gas, and like the air, oxygen, nitrogen, and then we can supply the auxiliary by air compressor, oxygen tank, nitrogen tank. And these tubes are the water cooling system tubes. This one is for inless water. Another one is for outless water. And for the most important tube, this is the laser source tube to connect with the laser source. Please follow me. This is the water chiller. It is a water supplying device of built-in automatic circulation. It is high stable and durable considered made of pipe. It has characteristics of height dispersion, small volume, long life, and durable performance, or long time work. This is the laser source. We also use a top brand laser source like Max, IPG, and Recurs, which is the laser source. It has its electrical optical
conversion efficiency
and the strong stress capacity that ensure the function more stable. And the laser source is from 1000 to 3000 watts. And it can cut in the thickness of from 3 mm to 20 millimeters. And next we want to talk about the cutting parameters. The maximum acceleration is 2G, and the cutting speed it can reach the 30 meters per minute, and the minimum seam width is 0.05 millimeter, and the cutting accuracy is 0.0 plus or minus 0.05 millimeter.
也可以了，cutting material 了。
Okay. Let's talk about the cutting material of the cutting machine. We also can cut the metal material like spring steel, carbon steel, galvanized steel, iron, brass, copper, gold, silver, or or titanium. For the special material like the copper, brass, gold, silver, this high reflection material, we also use a high power source from QCW, which can make the process have more positive effects. Okay, it's the end of the video. If you are interested in our laser cutting machine, please feel free to contact us. Our contact information at the bottom of the video. Bye, this is Juliet from Feiyue Laser.